Your payslip can look confusing at first. Let's break it down simply, step by step. Your employer must give you a payslip every time you are paid. It shows exactly what you earned and everything that was taken out before the money reached your bank. This is what your contract says you earn. It is never what you actually take home. Think of it as the starting number before anything is removed. After all deductions have been taken out, what is left is your net pay. This is your real take-home pay. Gross is what you earn. Net is what you keep. The government collects a percentage of your earnings as tax. Your employer handles this automatically. You never need to do anything. Most people don't pay any tax on the first £12,570 they earn each year. Your tax code tells your employer how much of your pay is tax-free. The most common code is 1257L. If yours looks different, it is worth checking. A wrong tax code can mean you are paying too much or too little tax. National insurance is a separate deduction. It goes towards the NHS, your state pension, and certain benefits. It is taken automatically, just like income tax, but it is calculated differently. If your workplace has a pension scheme, a percentage of your pay goes in automatically. Because it is taken before tax, it actually reduces the amount of tax you pay. Your employer also contributes on top. That is essentially free money added to your future savings. YTD stands for year to date. It shows everything you have earned and every deduction taken since the start of the tax year in April. It is useful for checking your records and making sure your tax adds up correctly over the year. This is roughly what someone earning £25,000 a year would see on their payslip each month. Every figure will be different depending on your salary, tax code, and pension rate, but the structure will always look the same. Get into the habit of checking your payslip every single month. It only takes a minute, and it is the best way to catch any errors early. Most people never look at their payslip. But wrong tax codes are more common than you might think. If you have overpaid tax, HMRC will refund it, but only if someone spots it. That someone needs to be you. Gross minus tax, minus national insurance, minus pension equals your net pay. Simple. And always keep your payslips. You may need them one day. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe for more everyday money topics explained simply.